Hey guys, it's Carter. I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. In today's video, we are looking at the top recession-proof stocks every investor should have. So I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. If you guys get anything in value out of it, hit that like button, subscribe. You guys know what to do. We are nearing 21,000 subscribers. So make sure you guys subscribe, do what you guys do, and I appreciate every single one of you. So let's jump into the video. Now, the reason I wanted to make this video in general is because these stocks that we're going to be talking about do well in bull markets, bear markets, and pretty much everything in between. You know, these are companies that you and I use probably every single day. So let's move to stock number one. Stock number one for me is ticker symbol WM. This one here, I've talked about it in the past, but this is Waste Management. It's up about 5% this year. It's an absolute powerhouse of a company. And for those of you that don't know what they do, Waste Management handles waste, whether it's trash removal, garbage removal. So they do some sewer stuff. Pretty much a company that no matter what, we are only going to use and get more dependent on, you know, with this growing population. If we go ahead and we zoom out, you'll notice that this stock is an absolute, like I mentioned, powerhouse with a beautiful, beautiful upward trend in the stock price, right? It's gone from lows here at $81 all the way up to highs at $175, sold off. For me, this is a massive opportunity. Buy in at a more affordable price. The company brought in $5 billion, beating expectations on the revenue. You'll get appreciation plus a dividend here of 65 cents a quarter. They do have some spending problems and a little bit of debt, but you have to understand this is still an absolute powerhouse where they continue to fuel the company off massive earnings. So that is probably my number one pick. Number two here is ticker symbol DLTR. This is also known as the Dollar Tree. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the Dollar Tree or may not even go there. But you have to understand they have very, very affordable stuff. And at the end of the day, in times of recession, people go to where they can save their pockets. And that's where a Dollar Tree is, right? Looking at their last earnings, you can see they did miss their earnings, but they still brought in about $6.7 billion. This earnings, beating expectations. The company has a great upward trend. It is a little more volatile than I would like, where it's gone up, you know, from 87 to 178, back down to 140, back up to 163. There's going to be more volatility, all that good stuff. But volatility for me often brings opportunity. They still have very solid numbers, and it's a story that you don't have to worry about closing no matter what. Whether it's a time of recession or a hot market, people will continue to go to Dollar Tree. You mark my words. Now, stock number three is another absolute powerhouse. Johnson & Johnson. JNJ is the ticker. Beautiful upward trend. The stock is down about 0.29% compared to the S&P 500, which is down 25%. So this investing in here helps keep your money a little more stable here. Their last earnings, beating expectations, brought in about $23.7 billion plus a dividend of $1.13. Solid upward trends. They do have some competitors, but Johnson & Johnson here is, like I said, no matter what, they're a medical and pharmaceutical company. No matter what, people are going to need medicine. At the end of the day, whether it's a bull market or it's one of the worst Great Depressions we've ever seen, people need medicine, and Johnson & Johnson is an absolute no-brainer investment, and it's probably one of my favorite stocks that I own. All right, so the last and final stock, okay? The last and final stock here, there's so many strong contenders like McDonald's, like Home Depot, Walmart, Procter & Gamble. But this one here, all right, this one here is one of my personal favorites. It's a dividend powerhouse, okay? It's one of my favorite retail stores. It goes without saying, Costco, okay? Ticker symbol COST, cost. Costco is a powerhouse. It's down a little bit this year at about 4%. But what a lot of people don't realize of Costco is you get appreciation in these shares, right? The stock always has that solid upward trend. Their last dividend, 90 cents. They've offered something called a special dividend in the past where they pay you as high as $7 for each share you have, which is crazy. Last earnings report. Look at this earnings, right? Brought in, $72 billion. a surprise of $53 million. You know, the fiscal year they brought in $226 billion, which is so much money. This company is a powerhouse. I don't care what you say. They do have, you know, very little long-term debt, a ton of cash on hand, increasing dividend payouts, that special dividend, appreciation in those shares. Guys, this is a great stock. I highly recommend all of these, but obviously do your own research before you guys invest. Don't just invest because I told you to or because your friend told you to. Invest in a company that you believe, right? You believe in. There's a lot of fantastic picks out there. But overall, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.